We want to evaluate this sum. Please, take a moment and try to solve it in your mind first. Each fraction like 31 over 30 becomes 1 plus 1 over 30. Combine the integers, 6 minus 5 ones leaves just 1. So we get 1 minus this sum of fractions. We have already solved this sum of fractions problem in other video. Let's review it here as well. First, we factor out 1/5. The denominators are products of consecutive numbers, so we can use this fact. Now, each fraction can be rewritten as a difference of two simple fractions. Notice how the middle terms cancel out in a telescoping fashion. We are left with only 1/2 minus 1/7. Simplifying gives us 1 minus 1 over 14. Finally, simplifying gives 13 over 14.